want to do 50, but my body feels like it's gonna explode if I keep going. Because I taught 5 hours today, and then I did video. I've been doing it since like 5 o'clock. Stopped to eat, but apart from that, I've been going straight. So yeah, my body's kind of done. So we did like what, 30 something. So that's something, right? I guess. I'm sure I'll do a follow-up video on this sometime in the future, but for now, that's all she wrote. So as always, everybody, thanks so much for supporting me. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for believing in my content. This is your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now and Never Crew. If you like this video, please drop a comment for my sad old body. Drop a like for my injured old body. Subscribe for this old man drizzle you got here. And don't forget to smash that bell button for more Tim Hortons wedges in parking lots at like 9 o'clock at night, because you know, why not? All right, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.